check out the latest Model A in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one's a 1931 Ford Model A Roadster. Nice looking Model A, rumble seat car. Best of all, got the side mount spare there as you can see. Particular car is blue and black. It is all steel, so the black fenders and everything, and then the blue body. And the fenders are all steel. Kind of the cream or a light yellow wheel to it. Set them off. See the radiator guard up front. Bright work. Everything is nice in this car. I would call it a nice driver quality. Paint and kind of bright work. You'll see a few scuffs a little bit right there. You can have some chips here and there in the paint, of course, where the hinges were on the hood like you see on so many of these. It is powered by the L-head inline 4-cylinder underneath there, which you'd expect to see in the Model A's that are stock, and then of course a 3-speed manual transmission. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see underneath the hood and check out the rumble seat area, underside pics of the car, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's where it's going to take you. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out. Take a look at the interior. Vinyl seat. Nice shape. The stock dash. Did notice the gas gauge appears to work and everything in it. The top, if you take a look when you're checking out the pictures, mouse did get a little area where it had chewed a hole in the top. So just want to make you aware of that. Check it out in the pictures. Of course, rumble seat, also in nice shape. And again, this is all steel. Got the steps for getting up into the rumble seat there is what those are for. And then of course the fold down luggage rack in the back. Doing a little traveling and needed to bring some luggage with you. Now remember, we do assist with transportation, getting this car to where you're located at. Financing is available. And of course, we consider trades. Again, give us a call if you got any questions on this. You can see the paint's got a nice shine to it in the back there, nice reflection in that blue. Here you can see the nice two-tone combination of the blue and the black back here. Got any questions, call. That number is 507-386-1726. And of course, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can check out all the still pictures. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at the interior. We'll fire this up. Let you take a look at the engine with it running and everything. Again, your vinyl door panels, vinyl seats. Let's go ahead and fire this baby up. All right. Ignition on, starter's on the floor. See how easily it starts. I got the throttle set on it also. Now down below here, I'm going to go ahead and turn the gas on because we're going to let it run a little bit. So there is a on-off valve for the gas down there. It's gravity fed. This, of course, will be the choke and air fuel mixture. You turn it. All right. One look at that stock dash. You look at that. You can see. Looks like there's me a 1.25 tank of gas. Let's turn the throttle up just a tad. There we go. Looking for a Model A pickup. Yeah, you've seen that in the background of the video. I'm doing that video next, so we also got a Model A pickup available. There you can hear it running. Sound you expect out of a stock Model A. I'm going to come up front, pause this video a second, pop the hood, and let's check out the engine. All right, let's start over here in the passenger side. Get the hood open on both sides. See the engine bay there. Nice little smooth running 4-cylinder. Come around to the driver's side for you to check it out. There you have it. Now, like I said, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the description of this video. It's where the link is at. Click on that. That's where it's going to take you. We can be called at 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. 1931 Ford Model A Roadster with a rumble seat. Look forward to hearing from you.